Hey guys, this video is proudly sponsored by Amazon. Low prices, amazing deals. Let's get into it. Hey guys, today's video is tips and hacks for saving huge on Amazon. I have wanted to make this video for so long, and everything I'm showing is tried, tested, and true. I'm gonna give you guys really easy ideas in that $5 to $10 price point, how to save huge on the bigger ticket items so you are never ever stuck paying retail. I hope you enjoy. All right, Christmas shopping done. First is buying in bulk and great deals. This is one of my secrets. Amazon.com/holiday deals have tons of items that are easy to find that they're constantly marking down. So what I like to do is buy large quantities of items that I can break up into smaller gift ideas. One of my favorites are Lush bath bombs. They're less than $1 a piece when you buy a set. And I also love buying small kits of amber glass essential oil rollers. Put your favorite blends inside and give these as gifts. So for a couple of bucks, you have a beautiful and homemade gift idea.
We're gonna dance and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song.
I also love buying their assorted chocolates in bulk. This chocolate was half the price it was in store. And this tumbler kit is one of my favorites. You can even monogram them if you want to. So inexpensive and perfect for teachers and coworkers. Next is to refine your search. I like to look for deals that are right around that $10 price point, and I love how Amazon lets you sort women or kids or whatever category you're looking to find. And these are some of my absolute favorite items that are also really inexpensive. And the first is this low profile leather wallet. It's right around $10. My husband uses this every single day. It is a great gift idea. Something else that I love from Amazon are their throw pillows. They have tons of beautiful checkered ones for just a couple of dollars a piece. I also love jade rollers, but I think my personal favorite is buying a combo kit with a jade roller and a chilled face roller. I use these almost every single day, just stick it in the freezer. It really helps with puffiness. This thing is seriously life-changing. It feels so good. Next is how to save huge on Amazon's site. And the first thing is make sure you have the Amazon app. And then you can find the items that you're looking for, especially if they're those bigger ticket items. We're in the market for a Roomba for upstairs and also an air fryer. And when those go on a flash deal, you'll be alerted. And this is super easy to do. All you have to click is watch a deal right on the app and your phone will get alerts. And if you're a Prime member, you actually get 30 minutes early access to those items. And there are thousands of lightning deals that are going to be happening. Next are some of my favorite inexpensive items, and these are right around that $20, $25 price point. And you guys, they are so good. And the first is my favorite laptop backpack. When we visited Japan, tons of people were carrying these backpacks. They have metal in the top, so a nice wide opening. This one is by Visnoon, and it was just 25 bucks. I use these every single day. I also think essential oil diffusers make great gift ideas, but it's so hard to know what's the cheapest one that's actually good quality, so I'll be sure to link this one down below. It's my favorite. But I think my favorite for the man in your life, or really anybody, are wireless earbuds. But they can be really expensive, but I think I found the secret best option. It's by a brand called Let's Fit, and the audio quality and the battery life is amazing, and they are so inexpensive. And a great and inexpensive gift idea is a car vacuum. This is the best one you can buy. I use ours all the time. I cannot believe it's taken me so long to discover this, but Amazon has the best organizers that are really high quality and actually big. They are so inexpensive, and this is a great way you can put larger gifts in them, and it will be something the person will actually use. And I also love to give cleaning products. It makes great gift filler. And to get those really inexpensively, I do the subscribe and save. You can get up to 15% off of them, and you can pause or cancel at any time. And I know there's a lot of subscription services out there for getting cleaning products sent to you. I just use Amazon. I pick my favorite scent. It's way cheaper, and I always have some on hand. Definitely, you have to leave me a comment down below with your favorite gift idea. I'm always looking for new things that are actually affordable, people will love. I am so grateful for you guys and this community. Be sure to subscribe so I can catch you in the next video, and I'll see you there. Bye.
Is it reading on camera?
Oh yeah, it's reading.
It's reading well. Really what I would like to buy is a robot vacuum for my car. But since that doesn't exist, this is the next best thing. Looks super good. 5 minutes and done. Oh man, except for what's in here.
Owen, what do you want for Christmas?
Something for me, Dad. Santa's gonna come.
Oh, we better tell Santa.